So today is numero uno of getting the keys. She's back there sweeping, but this is gonna be our new apartment tour. New apartment tour, brand new apartment, luxury apartment. And it's definitely giving luxury. Like the last apartment we had was considered like sub luxury, I would say. This is giving luxury. Like, just look at these windows. Hold on, let me turn the camera around. Just look at all the space compared to what we had before. And those windows go up higher than what's shown. So let me start at the front door. She's sweeping up right now. So right at the front door, this is how it looks when you walk in. We're gonna start with the main piece, which is the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances.
They have more storage.
Way more counter space. Way more. Do you think this place has more cabinets?
More cabinets?
It does have more cabinets.
Yeah.
More cabinets, dishwasher.
I think the cabinets are a little bit more functional.
I love the open layout. This open layout is amazing. Like, just look at it. Sheesh. So, huge. It's way more counter space. Because this pantry right here is like all we need, honestly. So then we have stackable washer and dryer. Everything just is so much bigger in this apartment than the last apartment that we had. So,
Cleaning the window.
oh, that's my duty? Okay. We have a linen cabinet. So we'll put like, I don't know what we'll put up here. I'm not sure.
Did you say less stuff too?
So this is one of my favorite pieces of the entire apartment, which is the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. Numero uno bedroom. Huge windows, just like in the living room. I wouldn't say it's like super huge, but it's still a good amount of space. It's about the same size, if not a little bit bigger than the room we had before, along with a closet. The only thing I don't like about these closets are they don't have lights in them, but still a huge closet, like huge. Bathroom. Shower. Step-in shower. Step-in shower is, God, I just love this apartment so much. It's so much better than the apartment we had previously. She's hard at work, y'all. Hard at work. Cleaning. So this is the second bedroom, a lot smaller than the other bedroom, but just as nice, just as big of windows, a little more square than like rectangular-ish, and a little smaller of a closet. This will be my closet. We decided to split up the closets because I have just as much clothes as she does, but I'm not as organized as she is. So yeah, we're gonna do our own thing when it comes to the closets, but this is the other bathroom. Love the big mirrors, love how tall the ceilings are. Same features of the other bathroom, except this one is a tub. Nonetheless, still very, very, very nice. A lot of cabinet space.
Right, I'm gonna mop over here, get your shoes.
All right, I'll get my shoes. I am actually have to get back to class, but I definitely wanted to give y'all that little quick overview of the apartment. And then I'll do a little bit closer of like the details a little bit later today. But quick overview, that's nice. Not gonna lie. Oh wait, I didn't even show you the best part. Don't mop over here yet. The balcony has to be my favorite part of the apartment. Cause check out how huge it is. It's humongous. There's a little wet spot right there, but it's literally humongous. Like, downtown. You can see into the apartment, but it's more so like mirrored. Like you can't really see in. So yeah, that's a feature I didn't notice at first, babe. You can't see in the apartment. No, the windows are mirrored, like very, very much. Unless it's night, maybe. Then you'll be a little more visible, but.
Well, I saw the
Today is the day, guys. We spent one night in the apartment already. It is going to be an empty tour apartment. So yesterday, I felt like this was very much rushed. The video that I recorded yesterday was super rushed, super, energy. We just got the keys, and I went back and watched it, and it's not good content at all. So I'm going to re-record this video. I just woke up. I have to get ready, get up, go to class. But I'm going to record this before I do so. This is going to be a much slower paced video because I really want to get into like a lot of the details of the apartment. And I feel like in order for me to do that, I kind of have to slow myself down. So bear with me, but I'm going to give y'all the empty apartment tour of this apartment. So we just moved in last night. We have no furniture yet. The movers come today, and they will be here probably like within the next like 3 hours or so. So I want to get this video before they get anything in here because I'm going to re-record this after they get stuff in here. So let's get into it. Oh yeah, one more thing. These bags under my eyes are not designer, okay? Okay. So this is the apartment. Right now, excuse my desk space because I don't have my desk. I had to do homework last night. So let's come over here first. What we got? Charger, stethoscope, all that good stuff. But this is the apartment. Way better than the last one. Way bigger than the last one. And I believe a lot newer than the last one as well. So the first thing you see when you come in is the kitchen. It's a little dark right now because I don't want to cut all the lights on if I don't have to. So huge counter space with a bar area for about 4 chairs I think can fit. We have the stove with stainless steel appliances, all of it. Everything is pretty much brand new. This is a newer apartment, so I'm super excited about it. A lot of counter space, way more counter space than we had in our last apartment. All this counter space. It's so much counter space. So much drawer space as well. We have a pantry. Instead of us using, stuff for the counter, instead of us using the cabinets, that's what I meant to say this whole time, the cabinets for stuff, we've now going to use cabinets for what cabinets are supposed to be used for. Cups, forks, spoons, stuff like that. So now we can put actual perishable items and foods in the cabinet space or the pantry space. I keep getting those mixed up. But definitely a nice little feature we didn't have at our last apartment. So the first thing you see here is a stackable washer and dryer. I just used it last night, so it definitely works. We put laundry here. I have my shoes, and Bree will put her shoes too because she's a nurse over here in an area before we enter the rest of the apartment. But yeah, so we'll put the shoes in there. This has a light as well. Hold on. Super bright, super great. She gonna be mad that I did that, but she'll get over it. Washer and dryer. Pretty basic stuff, Now we're gonna get on to my favorite part of the apartment, which is this huge living room. We have the mirror right there. We don't know what we want to do with it yet, but this is a huge living room. I would say it's about double the size that we had in our last apartment. We're gonna put plants underneath the TV over here, and the couch is gonna go over here, and it's a L couch, so it'll take up maybe about right here of this area. But I kind of want to turn the couch this way and let it curve out so we can have the open space of this bright and big windows that we have. So I'm excited for that. While we're here, I'm also gonna go ahead and take a look at these. I think they're like 11 foot, so a little bit bigger than 10 foot, which is what you usually get with the apartment. This balcony is also one of my favorite parts of the apartment. Huge balcony. Like, do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? This is how wide the balcony, how long the balcony is, how wide the balcony is. And I'm 6'5", so my legs are long. This is honestly amazing. I don't even know what to do with all this balcony space, but I would say this is the nicest apartment that I've stayed in. I have had another apartment in Charlotte once, and it was super nice there as well, but this absolutely takes the cake. This is gonna be our master bedroom. We have stuff down there, just stuff because we are still moving in, so we don't know how we're gonna set up the bed, if we wanna put the desk in here and let this be like a media room, or if we wanna put the desk in the other room and let it be. We don't know if we wanna make this the master room or if we wanna make this the media room, which is what we had at our last apartment. A bigger bedroom for the master room, and then like a smaller bedroom was the media room. And we used that for like desk, and she put her like all her makeup and stuff in there so she can sit and have like a vanity area or whatever. But we don't know what we want to do yet. We're still trying to figure it out, but this room is huge. It's long, and we're thinking about making it the master because it's connected to a bathroom. Let me show you the bathroom. Actually, here's the closet space before I show you the bathroom. Pretty standard. It's a big closet, walk-in closet. Like I'm in here now. It's a lot of space, but this bathroom, the bathrooms are easily like way better than our last apartment. So you walk in, to your right, you have a lot of areas for put towels and, you know, stuff. I just put my watches and my soap and stuff right there. Big mirror. They could have fit 2 sinks right here, but they only have 1, but it's a lot more space to just put things. Toilet, standard, but the walk-in shower is a vibe. I'm actually about to use it for class. I'm about to go to class, but super nice, super nice. So yeah, that's only one side of the apartment. We still have a whole nother side. So living room is how we're gonna do it. Still trying to figure that out. As for the other room, this is the other room. This is gonna be our media room. Now it is a lot smaller than the last room, but we don't really need that much space because we don't really have that much stuff. And I kind of wanted to go for the minimalistic look. This is the other closet connected to the room. We are going to change closets. I'm going to have this closet. She's going to have the other closet. She has a little bit more stuff than me, but I just kind of tossed my stuff in here and I'm going to organize it when I get back, when I have time, which will be like, I don't know, later this week or whatever. But this will be my closet. And now we're going to have the bathroom. This is a little foyer space. I don't know what we're going to do. I'll probably move this mirror because I kind of want to and put like a little table right here. I think that'll be excellent. Put like a little table right here and put like keys. I don't know, maybe like a candle, humidifier, something like right here in the little corner space. So we can just walk right in the bathroom. And we are still cleaning, so if it looks a little, you know, junky, excuse us. And it's the other bathroom. The other one had a step-in shower, stand-up shower. This has a tub. So we will get some use out of that if I can fit. But I pretty much love everything about this apartment. It could have been a little bit brighter because I think we're on the darker side of the apartments. Like the sun comes in and to you it looks like a lot of light, but we toured another one that was facing the other side of the apartment, and it lit up the entire apartment. Now granted, when you're watching TV or you're like watching a show or you just are chilling in the living room, I kind of don't like all the light being on me. Like I would want like blackout curtains or like, you know, semi blackout curtains, but a different vibe and having more light will be helpful because we spend so much time at work and school. Like, it's nice to have that. I'm not gonna lie. It's nice to have that as well. And Bree's gonna kill me when she sees this, but I did this last night. I was studying. I set up the TV, PlayStation, Apple TV, all on the counter space in the kitchen. Now she's gonna be mad about that. I already know, but she had to get over it because we don't have places to put stuff yet. And I played like 2 games of 2K and I studied the rest of the night. So That was a a lot quicker, but also a lot slower than the last video I recorded. Tour of the apartment. Now, I will be doing another tour once we get fully moved in, but I definitely wanted to show you guys what's going on over here, what's keeping me so busy, why have I been gone? I've been prepping for this, prepping for the move, prepping for all these exams, all these tests. I am still in nursing school. Nursing school is still hard. Yes, I am still studying my butt off, but you know, in due time, it'll all be worth it. So I look like crazy right now because I'm sleep deprived and tired, but these bags under my eyes are not designer, but one day they will be. But yeah, that's all I got for you on this video. This is nursing student Zid checking out, and I will see you on the next one. All right. Peace.